possible, guys, to not lose or blow an account. A forex trading account can be kept. How are you guys? How are you doing? This is Shocks here, and today I'm going to look at how you can master the art of not losing or blowing a forex trading account. So I'm going to touch on 3 fundamental things that you need to know, and the first one is using a higher time frame. So if you are looking at this chart right now, you can clearly see that we are officially in an uptrend here. Why? Because we have taken out this channel trend line, as you can see at this particular point, and we are looking at retesting this and going up. So it wouldn't make sense for you to be selling this market right now. So if you go down to the lower time frame, you can go and look at what things that show you that this is what going up. So if you can clearly see here, you can clearly see that price is currently sitting at a flip zone right here. So we can just go up from here, because this is the setup that we are seeing on the higher time frame. And if you go to the lower time frame, you can clearly with an open mind get to see a trade that you'd want to take from this particular market that you are seeing in this particular in this particular example. So this is what we are doing. So we're going to look at that, and we're going to go deep on the higher time frame, then we are going to go deep on the lower time frame, and we are going to go deep on calculating risk and accepting that particular risk. So before we go there, let me introduce to you the best prop firm that I have found in the industry, and it is Funded Engineer. So this is the Funded Engineer website, as you can clearly see. So this is the best prop firm in the industry. Funded Engineer is the cheapest. Look down on this website and you find a lot of coupons, discounts that suit your needs for everything that you need in your trading, right? So there are no minimum trading days. Get funded in a day if you want, if you have the skill. No time limits. Take as much time as you need to pass your challenges. The dashboard is a lot of tools that can help you keep and pass your challenge. So before I go and show you the dashboard, these are the brokers that Funded Engineer use. Paper Trading, Think Markets, the best in the game. So I use Paper Trading for my challenge, right? So these are the challenges: the superior challenge, the standard challenge, and the table challenge. I'm doing the superior challenge, where I'm having a profit target of 10% and 5% in phase 1 and phase 2 respectively. I have a maximum daily loss of 5% from the phase 1 to the funded trader stage. So this is what you are having, and this is what Funded Engineer is offering to you. So let me just go into the dashboard. As you can clearly see here, that I'm having the superior challenge phase 1, and I'm trading this account right now. And from what I have found, this is the best prop firm in the industry. My best feature of this prop firm is the drawdown blocker that you can see here to the left of your dashboard. The drawdown blocker, where you can set your maximum stop loss for the day in percentage or in amount. So I have set mine in percentage 1.5. I cannot go above 1.5% loss on any particular day. As you can clearly see, I am trading a $50,000 account, and this is the current equity as I'm trading this account, and I'm up more than 1%. And if I lose 1.5% on any particular day, the system will stop me from trading. My account will be disabled, so that I cannot reach the 5% level, and I can never blow my account. So this is the best dashboard around, I can clearly see. And I've used more than 5 prop firms. No slippage, no delays, raw spreads. Funded Engineer is the leader in this industry. Traders, you need to be here. You need to be trading with a safe prop firm. So if you are interested, you can find the links to this prop firm Funded Engineer in the description down below, in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's just go back and talk about how to never blow your account, or to never lose your account as you are trading. So remember what I said. This is the GBP AUD H4 chart, and this is the flip zone where price is currently at. This is trading, as you can clearly see. So we are looking at price maybe bouncing from the flip zone, as you can clearly see, or bouncing from this order block and this trend line here. So this is the higher time frame template that you have derived from what you are seeing on the on the chart. So from there, what are you going to do? You are now going to look for the entry criteria on the on the lower time frame, so that you can be in sync with what is happening on the higher time frame. So from the higher time frame, there might be no need for you to actually mark out the flip zones, the trend lines, the what. You can just use market structure and get the direction. What you need from the higher time frame is the direction. This is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, and we have taken out a lower high, which means we are currently in a an uptrend. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting for price to make a higher low here and continue going up like that. So this is the template, or this is what we have found from the from the higher time frame. When you go to the lower time frame, in this case we are looking at the at the M15, and you can clearly see that on the M15, what are you looking for? You're just looking for entry patterns or entry points of interest. So from the points of interest from the patterns, I will explain to you using this platform here, where you are saying if you are in the entry time frame, either you are looking for an M, you are looking for a W pattern. So this is a double top and this will be a double bottom, right? So if you have established that you are in a downtrend, you are going here and look for a double top on the on the lower time frame, maybe at a point of interest of your choosing, right? And if you have established that you are in an uptrend, you are just going to the lower time frame and looking for an entry reason, right? In this case, you are looking for a for a double bottom like this, or you are going to use market structure to enter your trades. If your market is moving like this on the H4, right, on the lower time frame, you're just going to look for a break of structure to the upside, retest, and you go. This is the platform that you're going to make for yourself on the on the lower time frame. Let's go back to the lower time frame and I will show you how to do. Right, from what you are seeing here on the lower time frame, if this market here forms a double bottom here, if this market forms a double bottom, we are getting in on this on this particular level. But if price drops and forms a double bottom on this on this next level here that you can clearly see from the H4, this order block here, we are going to take our trades from this particular zone. So this is an example of a double bottom. As you can clearly see, this is an example of a double bottom. This is another example of a double bottom. And if we have a double bottom here, we would have ourselves a trade that we can take and trade. So if you are using Finance Engineer, you can just pass your challenge using this type of trading and never lose your account using the tools that I've just shown you on the dashboard and on the website, right? So we are going to calculate our risk and accept the risk associated with every trade. Let's say if you are trading a $50,000 account, you can just say you are risking 1% of that account, which is 500. You should be able to lose, and you should be able to accept that you can lose, right? So if you lose $500, you have to accept that, and there will be no need for you to go back and try revenge trading. So this is what you have to do for you to never blow or to never lose an account in your trading career. Guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave me a comment down below, a like, and share this video with friends and family so that we can always help each other in this journey of Forex trading. My name is Shocks. I'm out. If you're new to this channel, we talk about everything there is to talk about in the trading landscape, and I hope to see you in the next video that I'm going to be dropping this week. Cheers, guys. See you on the next one. Trade what you see.